Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries for a gender reveal. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 2 dozen beautiful fresh strawberries, making sure they're completely dry after a gentle wash. We'll also use high-quality white chocolate, along with pink and blue gel food coloring. Don't forget some fun sprinkles for decoration and a parchment-lined baking sheet for easy handling. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the chocolate. You'll want to melt about 12 ounces of good quality white chocolate. A double boiler works wonderfully, or you can use the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring each time. Once melted and smooth, divide it evenly into 2 separate bowls. This is where the magic happens. Add a few drops of pink gel food coloring to one bowl and blue to the other, stirring until you achieve a beautiful, consistent color. With your chocolate perfectly colored, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and carefully submerge it into one of the colored chocolates. Gently tap off any excess chocolate before placing it onto your prepared parchment paper. This is your chance to get creative with decorations. Add some festive sprinkles or a contrasting chocolate drizzle right away before the chocolate sets. Continue this process until all your strawberries are beautifully coated. Once all your strawberries are dipped and decorated, place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time ensures the chocolate sets perfectly, giving them a firm, glossy finish. When it's time for the big reveal, arrange your beautiful pink and blue strawberries on a platter. You can keep the gender-specific color hidden until the exciting moment. Then, present your delightful creation to your loved ones for a truly sweet and unforgettable gender reveal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.